Welcome back to Next Level Homes.
Welcome to a home where every detail has been designed to impress from the very first glance. The entrance creates an unforgettable first impression with timeless elegance and modern luxury. This living space combines comfort, sophistication, and breathtaking views in perfect harmony. A kitchen where style meets functionality, making every meal feel special. Every dinner becomes a memorable experience in this beautifully crafted space. Wake up every morning surrounded by peace, comfort, and stunning natural light. Designed for effortless organization while adding a touch of everyday luxury. This spa-inspired bathrooms turns everyday routines into moments of relaxation. A workspace designed to inspire creativity, focus on success. Imagine ending every day with this incredible view just steps from your home. Perfect for relaxing evenings with family and unforgettable moments with friends. Nature and architecture come together to create a truly peaceful retreat. As the sun sets, the home reveals an entirely new level of elegance. Would you call this your dream home? Let us know in the comments and follow for more extraordinary homes.